how to use Hypotenuse AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up hypotenuse.ai and this is where it will take you. Now this will help you with content writing and it helps in various ways. Like they have different products that you can utilize, like content detector, which will help you research for the factual content for the articles. And similarly, there are some more kind of products out there that you can utilize either for your social media or for your corporate work. You can also utilize it for Instagram captions or your Google ads or Facebook ads or your blog articles, and there are various ways. It's up to you how you want to utilize it. It can also help you do the SEO, and all you have to do is just select whatever you want it from this particular AI, and after that you can also select the primary keywords on it that you want to utilize for a particular article, and this way you would be able to do better SEO. And you can also set the tone of your brand, and this way your article will be similar. The tone of your articles will be similar for all the kind of articles that you write. This way you can create a brand image of yours with the help of this AI. And there are various products, as we have talked before. It can help the SEO teams, e-commerce brands or enterprise grades, and there are many use cases of it. And this will help you scale your content creation journey, so you don't have to worry much about it, and your efforts will be quite minimal, and this way you would be able to scale at a faster pace. You can also integrate this particular AI with your Shopify, or you can also get the API in order to produce the descriptions for your social media. You can integrate it with WordPress as well. And as for the pricing is for individual. It is $29 per month, and it will give you 50,000 words per month. And as for the teams, you can get around 120k words for $59. It is the starting one, and as you increase the word limit, you would be able to see that you can get as much as 350k words for $129 per month. You can also get a customized offer if you want from the team if you book a demo. You can also try these packages for free, and it is free up to 7 days. You don't require a credit card in order to utilize it, so just simply utilize it and check it out whether how it feels for you. And it is quite simple. All you have to do is just try it for free, then give your details in order to sign in. After that, select for whatever way that you want it to be used. It is just like the OpenAI's ChatGPT, but in a more specific way, and this is how you would be able to use it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.